everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manuela and today I'm gonna be talking to you a little bit about this makeup. So for today I actually made like a voodoo doll type of makeup and I just wanted to try and make a tutorial for that because I really like doing makeups for Halloween, and so this Halloween I wanted to be like a voodoo doll. I have done other types of doll before, but this is like finally, I don't know, I just decided to do the voodoo doll that I have been wanting to do since last year, I think. And I just created this type of makeup after I looked for a lot of reference. Maybe not a lot, but I did look like for reference on the internet and Pinterest and things like that, and I ended up just creating like this, and it was really fun. I had so much fun because I had like some face paintings that I wanted to try and like a little bit of the latex thing with the fake blood and things like that. You actually don't need any of those materials if you want to do this makeup. You only need like these pencils to make up your face, whether it's for eyes, shadows, or for lips. If you have black, white, and red, then pretty much you are all set. Or otherwise eyeshadows, I guess. So I hope that you really enjoyed this tutorial, and so here we go! Okay, so the first thing I did was take the white face painting and start applying it on my face with a makeup brush. And after that, because I wanted more of a pale tone, I did a second layer. Also, you can do it with a sponge or with your fingers, but with your fingers it's not gonna be that uniform unless that's like the texture you are looking for. And of course, if you don't have white face painting, then you can use another type of foundation. And lastly, I just use matte setting powder. After that, I apply a purple eyeshadow on my eyes. It can be any other type of color you want, better if it is like dark. And lastly, use the eyeliner on the upper part and the down part of your eyes. And then with the black face painting, I did the lines. I actually made a mistake because I didn't want it to go over my mouth, but I'm going to repair that later. Then I apply like latex on the part of the neck, so that later I can do like this broken part with blood and things like that. And then I used the yellow face painting to paint on my forehead to do the straw, which is like the feel of the voodoo doll, and then I just draw with the black eyeliner. And then I just did the spots where the shoe is gonna come out and in, and then I just created the kind of shoelace thread or the shoe with the white face painting. After that, I just came back with the black face painting to start making the buttons, like in the eyes and then in my forehead, since in my forehead I wanted like kind of a really thick type of thread. In the beginning it was supposed to be like a nail, but it's fine. And then with the black eyeliner, I draw over all the sewing in the face so that it gives this effect of like a cartoon or something like that, and it makes it like pop out of the face a little bit more. And afterwards, in the ending of every sewing, I just did like a little X because I just like that ending a little bit more. But it's important to first do like the circle because it just seems more deep that way. Then with this white pencil, I just highlight a little bit more the thick thread in the forehead, and after that with the white face painting I just did the holes of the buttons in the eyes and in the forehead. I wish I had like a thinner makeup brush, but it was still okay. Otherwise you can also do it like with a toothpick or something like that, but be very careful. And then with the black eyeliner I finished detailing all the buttons. And then with the red face painting, I started to put a little bit like blood marks or irritated skin marks in all the parts where the sewing comes in and out, and around the buttons, and in the part of the forehead with the straw. And since I was using the red face painting, I also put it over my lips. But later on, I actually put a red matte lipstick on my lips. And also a little bit of lip balm. And finally, I just added like one more button in the part of the cheek. I made it in red, and then I just finished it with the eyeliner to make the holes and the outline of the button. And also the upper part, I made like a little sue there, also with the eyeliner. And then with the black eyeliner again, I just finished putting some X's in some parts. For the part of the neck, I broke a little bit the latex thing to make that hurt skin type of effect, and then I paint with the red face painting. I did the same I did with the face, with the white, and then with the black eyeliner, finish every detail. And lastly, I put in like the fake blood to make it like dripping, but otherwise you can also do this effect with a little bit of red lipstick or red paint. And then, very important, I finished everything with a dark brown eyeshadow to add shadows in all the sewing parts, in a little bit in the forehead and in the eyes, just to make every tiny effect pop up out of my face, to make it a little bit like more dramatic and more darkish. And then I just finished adding some more X's in some of the sewing parts with the black eyeliner, finished the last details, and it's done. After that, I corrected the part of my face that goes over my lips. I just erased that black line and painted again with the white face painting. So that was everything for today's tutorial on this makeup. I have really a lot of fun doing it. Maybe it took a little bit of time. Actually, not that much time. I thought it was gonna take me longer maybe, but anyways, you can actually do it a lot faster, like with practice, or if you already have like a specific image in your head, then definitely you can just do it. I just kind of created this style along the way, and I like the way it looks, so I'm really happy with how it ended. I pretty much got to try all the things that I wanted to try, this kind of shoelace or other type of thread attaching like parts of my face, and like some buttons and things like that. Here kind of like a straw going out. Well, for me it's a straw, but however you want to see it is completely fine. And so yeah, I actually wanted to do like a lot more, not with the makeup. The makeup, I really like how it ended up, but of course if it is like kind of like a voodoo doll, I kind of wanted to dress up a little bit more and maybe find like kind of a straw and put it in, and some kind of nails maybe for the clothes. But anyways, like I don't really know if I'm gonna do just kind of the custom thing, but for now I got makeup and I really wanted to show you, so I really hope that you enjoy that. So this is everything for today's tutorial. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if it was like that, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell to receive new notifications for every new video that I'm gonna be uploading. And please leave me in the comments if you actually like this tutorial, or what kind of makeup do you want to do for Halloween. Maybe I can give you some tips about it, or actually if you wanted to explain like other types of makeups that I have made for other Halloweens, then maybe I would do it later in my blog or something like that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!